Hey guys, welcome to my Octagon review, which is created by Jack Galbraith and Akin Tunde, and it is the software which helps you to generate more leads and allows you to get more traffic to your sites. And if you don't have sites, it's completely fine because inside the software we have done for you ClickBank and Warrior Press review sites. And what you guys want to do is just link your affiliate link in the done for you review sites and just run the campaign. Also we have the training videos and also cool bonuses, and so just stick with me. I will show you everything step by step inside the software, and before that I will show you my bonuses for you. So just jump into the bonus page. Okay guys, now we are in the bonus page. And so what is Octagon all about? Okay, here's the explanation. Clone our profitable traffic pulling done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus review sites and done for you funnels in one click. Start earning commissions from ClickBank and Warrior Plus without doing any manual work. Okay, is the explanation for this product, and I will show you the bonuses now. So what you are going to get, and bonus number one, its value is $426.95. And what is the bonus number one is you will get the access for Jonas YouTube ads course. Okay, this is one of the best source to earn money uh, by using the YouTube ads, and its value is $427.95, but you are going to get this absolutely free. And bonus number two, it's a tutorial on how to master ClickBank, and it's $46.95 value, but you are going to get it for absolutely free. And bonus number three, you will get to know, you learn about how to use others video, other owners video legally, and you will you will learn how to use those videos for, and link your affiliate link in the description and get commissions from that. And the many things you will learn from this tutorial, and its value is $344.95, and also you are going to get this for absolutely free. And bonus number four, here you will get to know how to make an email capture, and every affiliate marketers know money is in the list, and you will get to know how to make this, and its value is $267. And yes, you are going to get this absolutely free. Okay, and bonus number five, you will get the access for all vendor bonuses here, and along with my bonuses above. Then can you see this red button here? And if you click one of the red button here, it will take you to the sales page. Okay, so okay, now we are in the sales page, and using free traffic, automated done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus affiliate review sites generates $276 per day on autopilot. Okay, and this is the sales page, and here is the income proof, and it could be your account also if you use this software. And okay, these guys are the creator of this software, Jake Galbraith and Akin today. And okay, this is the sales page. And okay, now I will show you the members area. Okay, this is the members area, and these are the dashboard. It's done for the campaign, total clicks, my campaign, total subscribers, and here is the profile. You can set your profile website title here, and your ClickBank or Warrior Plus affiliate ID here, and you can um, write your own description or about you here, and you can upload your image here. And here are the done for the campaigns. Okay, these are the done for your review sites. Okay, and can you see this link. Just copy this. Okay, just search. Okay, these are the done for you review sites. Okay, what you want to do is, can you see this banners here? These are the banners which you click here, it will take you to the sales page. But before, what you want to do is you have to insert your affiliate link here. Okay, um, I will show you how to link your affiliate link. And okay, these are all the done for you review sites, and you can promote these sites in Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and Pinterest. And these are the done for the campaign too. Here also, you have the more review sites. You can use it for free. And then this is the done for a funnel. You can use this template, um, and you can get more, uh, what to say, more leads from using these templates. Okay, and okay, what are the leads you are going to get by using the software? You that that leads will be shown here in this tab. Okay, in this module, leads and banners. So here you have to link your affiliate link here. Okay, um, if you are going to choose this banner, you have to put your affiliate link here. So whenever the people come to your sites and click this banner, it will take them to your affiliate sales page. Okay, and if they buy that product, you will get the commissions automatically. Okay, you have to insert your affiliate link here, and affiliate link, and don't forget to give save. Okay, then okay, here are the training videos. If you got any confusions or doubts, and you can see the training module here. Here they shows how to use this software. Okay, see how to add your affiliate links, and how to create your custom campaigns, how to create funnel campaigns, how to drive free traffic from Quora, and how to get free traffic to any affiliate offers. Okay, and also we have some bonuses module here. Bonus number one, you are going to learn how to create your own WordPress website. And bonus number two, and you are going to learn about how to make money on Fiverr. And bonus number three, you are going to learn about ClickBank marketing secrets. And bonus number four, three free traffic sources to drive targeted visitors to your affiliate offers. And bonus number five, you will get to know learn high exclusive mastermind Facebook group. Okay, that's cool. Okay, cool bonuses here. So that's all guys about this software. And now I'll show you the upsells for this product. Okay, and here are the upsells. Front end is the access the powerful Octagon software and training modules that I shown now. um, Upsell number one, get access to 8 extra ClickBank products review campaigns for maximum traffic and sales, including high ticket ClickBank product review. And upsell number two, done for you turbo campaigns. Get sent to 200 done for you campaigns each and every week, includes done for you bonus page with review video, product demand, 5 custom bonuses delivered for you each time over a period of 365 days. Okay, and upsell number 3, launch Octagon as your own product, own rebrand and fully customized Octagon. Our team will work with you to put Octagon on your hosting and with your custom product name, logo, and branding of your choice. Okay, and upsell number 4, enjoy commissions across the entire funnel of octagon 0 to 1000 and accelerate. We take care of support for you. So just enjoy total profits across all our high converting funnels. Okay, so these are the upsells. And once you click this red button here, you will take to the sales page. And once you purchase the product, go to your um, okay, affiliate, sorry, Warrior Plus site, and in the purchase tab, you can see this. Okay, access your purchase. Below this tab, there is a button like access affiliate bonus. Then it's blue button. Once you click this, you can access all these above bonuses. Okay, so without making any delay, and buy this product and enjoy these cool bonuses. And if you are thinking of buying this, I have given the link in the description below the video. Okay, go and grab that link and um, buy this product and enjoy the whole bonuses. Okay guys, so thank you for your patience and support. So I hope this video is useful for you, and I will see you in the next video. Until that, bye and take care.